Hi and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to change this piece on your Quooker kitchen tap and also the rotating ring. I have here the new piece. I will show you. This one is a little bit damaged and we have to replace it. Here you can see the damage. It's not big, but it's not nice to see on a new kitchen tap. I have also these white gloves to not scratch any part of the new piece. First thing, I will turn off the Quooker Cube and the Quooker Pro. Now we can work safely on the pipes, and to do this whole job we don't need to close the water. We just have to remove this pipe here and then we can pull out all the piece. It will become a little bit of water, just this water we have inside this pipe, and to remove it you just have to push here inside like this and pull out the whole pipe. You see, now we have the water from the faucet, and then we can pull out all the piece. You see, it's already empty without shoot off the water. Now we can pull out this pipe with the sprayer, and now we have to remove this old piece with the rotating ring. Here behind there is a small hole. I will use this small key to press and remove the old piece. You have just press and then you can remove all this piece. You see? Now we removed all this piece. Now to remove the rotating ring we have to remove first this plastic piece and this other plastic piece. Then we can remove the whole rotating ring. Now to remove the rotating ring we have to enlarge a little bit here and then pull out the whole rotating ring. You see, it's not so difficult. Now I will put my white gloves on to assemble the new piece of pipe. All right. Now, as you can see, the piece is the same. We can press the rotating ring. Now it's all right. You see, it's already fixed. Now we can put this little plastic piece on. Then you see the piece that I pressed is here, and this side should be here. I will show you on the faucet. Here you can see we have to go inside this one, and then the hole is here. Then you can just press from the behind with this small key, and then you are here inside. It's very easy to remove the pieces from a cooker. And here you can see the flashing light. Here is the electronic from the cooker, from the tap, and here inside is the flashing light, also the blue and the red light. Now we can assemble the new piece. Like I said, this have to be here, See, I think we are already done. You also saw the flashing light. That means we have assembled the piece already. Salt. And now we can put back inside the pipe, the sprayer. And now we have to just to connect it downstairs. And now we just have to connect it, and it's already done. Now we can turn on the Quooker Cube and the Pro and check if everything is working well. Okay, now we check the light. You see the red light. It's okay. See the red light? It's perfect. Now we can try the cooker. Alright, now we can check the hot water first. The boiler works. Now the cooled water. Press, hold and turn. It's also work. Now the sparkling water. It's also working. I hope that I could help you with this short video. If you have any question, please write to me in the comments. Please subscribe also my channel to see any new video. Thank you.